Hi, today we are going to replace the screen for HP dv3500. The model is 3510NR. First of all, let's see that the screen is broken. So when we open it, you see it has been broken. So first thing is to remove the battery. Then what we need to do, there is two screws that we need to remove. There is one on the right side and one on the left side at the bottom. Then gently remove the panel. Start from this side. Then as we see, there is 4 screws. One is here at the right corner on the top, on the bottom on the left corner. We remove them as well. After removing the last screw, be careful to hold the screen to avoid that it falls. So now we hold it. Place the screen on the keyboard. As you see, there is only one connector here, so remove the tape. Then disconnect this connector. Then all you need to do is to free the panel. There is no screw to remove here. This is the old screen. Then we will take the new screen. Be careful, hold it carefully. So we need to remove the cover there, we can keep it. Just to avoid to scratch the screen. So here we can just put back the connector. So now we can remove this cover. Put the screen back into the panel. From each side. Make sure that it's fixed. Just make sure that it's in place. Now we put it back here. We put back the screws. So this is put back in place. We can taste it. We can just put back the battery. Push on the power button. So now we see that the screen is working perfectly. Just turn it off. And put back the panel in place. And as you see, we have replaced the screen very easily in less than 5 minutes. Thank you.